In this video, I want to make one of the most traditional and simplistic Iranian desserts that name is Ferni. Start with mixing milk, rice flour, sugar and crushed cardamom in pot. So, put Ferni on medium heat and whisk constantly to avoid a stick on bottom of the pot. Continue to mixing until to reach thickness. In this step, add rose water and mix on medium heat until to have a desired consistency. Now your Ferni is ready. Serve it in your bowl and garnish with some rosebuds. And if you want more sweet Ferni, you can add some honey or maple syrup optionally.